Hey guys, welcome back. I am even more sick than last time you saw me. That's fine. I think I caught like another bug when out, and I wasn't like fully recovered, so my running theory is that my immune system was compromised from last time. Anyways, I did a bit of preparations before, just now. And I think I should have everything for the cementation furnace. Oh wow, it feels really weird in my throat speaking. I wonder if this thing needs a cover above, like if there's anything, if like rain can get in through the top of the thing, the furnace. I'm not actually sure, but I think the structure is fairly big. And you know what? We have a new space here that we didn't have previously, where I could potentially build the furnace. Anyways, I have no idea how this thing actually looks, so it's gonna be a bit of a... No, actually we need to make mortar first. And I'm not entirely sure how to make it. I know it's with the quicklime that I have. So you make slaked lime. So 4 quicklime and 1 liter of water. Okay. Do I have any barrels that are... Also, these finished. So I have 10 years of this stuff. Or they stay fresh for 10 years. I don't think I have a barrel that's available for use. I forget how to make these things. Is it planks and sticks? Oh man, do I not have any planks? Right, let's solve that problem. Actually, we do have sticks on me, so I might as well use these. I think it's this way. Yeah, okay. Alright, and I'll need a bucket, which I can find up here. Barrel. I think you can take control, put single. Okay, there we go. And I think you can put all of these into there. So 8 liters of slaked lime. Now I think I just need sand of some kind. Yeah, any kind of sand. I think it has to be a special kind, so it can't be granite or peridotite or something. So I think I don't have anything other than limestone sand of that type. So let's see, mortar. Okay, I have 8 liters, so I'm gonna place 8 sand in there. I hope this is instant. It is, okay. Awesome. You know, I think my body has started like reacting to different, I don't know, what's it called, bacteria and viruses. Like compared to when I was younger, and I think I've started noticing this shift like recent 2 years. And it is really strange. Like the other day when I like felt the symptoms of it, I got a fever, and I had this like strangest dream. And I couldn't even, like, I don't remember it, but I remember it being so strange. So yeah, and I don't think, maybe like the last time I had a fever I had a similar thing, but I guess that's like an actual fever dream. And I've heard that term, but I don't think I've ever experienced it really. And just in like other ways as well, like feeling more weak in the body itself, which I hadn't felt previously either. So it's strange, but it's just life. Things change. Anyways, steel making guide. So, building a cementation furnace requires around 65 blocks of refractory bricks, which come in 3 different qualities. Tier 1, I have the tier 1. Each tier is more robust against heat damage than the last. You will also need 6 refractory brick gratings and a solid or windowed iron door. Build 2 stone coffin sections and 2 stone coffin lids from either granite, andesite, basalt or peridotite. Place a 3x2 flooring of grating. Okay, so I'll need the gratings, and I think they're made this way. So technically, I think I can turn all of these into bricks now, but I'm gonna hold off for just a second. And I'll also need the iron door, which I think I have in here somewhere. Yeah, awesome. Okay, do I place this just like on top of the grass? Maybe I do. I'm gonna try it. Let's hope. I'm not sure these are breakable. So if I have to like quote unquote move it, I think I'm just gonna have to reshape the terrain to make this work. Anyways, where is... Ah, okay. Do I have the... I do have the coffin sections. Place a 3x2 flooring of grating. In the middle of it, place both stone coffin sections in opposing directions so as to create a large container. The stone coffin sections like this. Okay. With a shift plus right mouse, click on the stone coffin. You will see an outline showing where you have to place the remaining refractory bricks and the iron door. You can add additional refractory bricks on the outside of the structure if you wish, but keep the air pathways in the interior of the structure clear. Oh wow, this is a large structure. Okay, so as we can see here, I need to do a bit of trimming. Okay. Can I rotate this? I should be able to rotate it, right? Like on just a technical level? Or does it have to face, what is this? East? Couldn't it face west? Ah, I think I rotated it. I did, okay. So let's keep it this way. Okay, it's kind of hard to see what needs to go where. Is this supposed to be an empty block, or what is that blue supposed to be? And where's the iron door supposed to go? Alright, well. I don't think I'm gonna figure it out by just standing here. So, let's start placing. Why did that... Oh, is... Huh? Is there supposed to be a block there or no? It kinda looks like it. Yeah, because from the outside this also looks weird or has a weird color. Anyways, I'm gonna zoom it, and if I run out of blocks, that might be the reason why. That blue block is kind of throwing me off. And these stone coffin lids, should I place them on top of there? Is there supposed to be a block here? Oh, side of that thing. I'm gonna go grab a couple of scaffolding blocks. And I'm also gonna grab a bit of food. Oh right, how do I get back up? I guess with my scaffolding. Oh, bad idea. How do I get out of here? Okay. Um, Something feels wrong. I think I placed all of the things in the order that it said I should, but I technically have 11 bricks left, and I also have an iron door left. So let's see what the guide says. Hmm, strange. I wonder if the door is supposed to go here. Okay. I think I'm gonna call that my finished one. I'm now gonna go look up an image of one so that I don't nothing explodes when I fire this thing. So 1 second. Alright, so according to the wiki, I think this is now how it should be. So we now have to place coal underground in some way. And I moved up the door one block and placed an extra brick here. That's all that I did to change it. But now when I right click it, it says structure is not complete. I'm guessing it's because, well no, I can see it's because it's rotated, but I can't seem to rotate it again now, so I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna trust that it's fine. It's also started snowing, which is kind of cozy. But yeah, we're gonna have to dig for a bit. And I'm not entirely sure how to do this. It's incredibly dark. So I'm gonna equip a torch. Okay, I don't know if all of these grates have to be exposed or if it should only be the two middle ones that are directly underneath the stone coffins. Also, what do I do with the lids? So many questions. Firing. Once that is ready, fill the stone coffin to the top with 16 iron ingots and charcoal or coke. Then dig out an empty space 2 blocks below each stone coffin lid. This is where you have to place 2 piles of coal or charcoal in order to fire the furnace. Okay, so so just underneath these, interesting. But I kind of have to, I guess I could do it this way if I wanted it directly underneath the stone coffin lids. So too high. Does there need to be steel making? 2 blocks below each stone coffin section. This is where you have to place 2 piles of coal or charcoal in order to fire the furnace. You can use a chisel to build a small retaining wall so that the coal doesn't fall to the sides while piling. Once all is ready, ignite the coal piles. You can verify the furnace is working by looking into it through the door, but we don't recommend you go inside there, it's quite hot. Fire particles should emanate from the burning coal and smoke should exit from the chimney. You will need to replenish and relight the coal piles approximately once a day, but leave the stone coffin closed. Firing will take about 1 week, after which you can break the stone coffin to get blister steel. Refining blister steel. Refining. Blister steel needs to be worked on an iron anvil to create steel. You can create an iron anvil by smithing the bottom. Yeah, okay, I've done that. Place the parts on the ground. Oh. Just continued saying how to make an iron anvil. Okay. Interesting. I have an image from the wiki that looks kind of weird. But that's just one block underneath the grading. So I think when they say 2 blocks, I think they mean like 1 block on each side, which is a bit confusing, but it is what it is. And also, according to that image, it seems like it's fine to have the space open, these ones open as well. So I guess I would like start piling charcoal on this block, but like they said, the coal will start spilling out. So you have to make something to stop it doing that. So something like that, and then you would just remove enough so that you can see and fill it all the way. Okay, interesting. So I'm guessing you fill these up and then place the coffin lids, I mean. Anyways, yeah, here's the cementation furnace in all its glory. I think I'll wait with the firing until, I guess, next time or sometime in the near future. I don't want anything like blowing up or going wrong. And you also have to load this up with 16 ironing it, so I don't really want to lose that. So if you guys have spotted an obvious mistake that I've done, please let me know. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.